How to remove ads on Ludo King. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to remove ads on Ludo King. Removing ads on Ludo King is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Ludo King app on your mobile device. Log in using your preferred method, for example Facebook, Google or as a guest if required. On the main screen, tap on No Ads icon, it's located right here. Select the Remove Ad option to see the price. Tap on the price button to make sure the purchase. You will be directed to your device App Store, Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Complete the purchase by following the on-screen instruction. After the purchase is complete, ad will be removed from the game, providing an uninterrupted gaming experience. And here you go, that's how you can remove ads on Ludo King. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.